Ang swerte.
Dinala ako ng friend ko na yun
Ang
pala yung...
Panginoon ang may plan.
Dinala ako ng friend ko,
Oo.
yun pala yung kadate niya.
Ah. Ayun pala.
Kasi dinala din siya.
Ganun lang pala.
Nag-meet.
A few moments later, while waiting for the TELUS Internet customer service rep at the phone.
And I've processed this.
Okay.
And it's gone through here. So I'm just going to go through everything as well too. So this is including the Wi-Fi Plus as well too.
Okay.
So Wi-Fi Plus, generally speaking, is $10 a month. For you, we obviously have an additional discount in there as well.
So minus 10, okay.
Altogether for your internet, it'll be $89 a month, $10 a month for the pick. Like I said, the internet is the only thing going on service agreement. That's gigabit internet. So 940 upload, 940 download, unlimited internet data. Now, when you do see your bill, Robert, you're still going to see that $10 charge for Wi-Fi Plus, but then you're going to see a discount for it. So the total bill is going to work out to be $89 for internet and then $10 for pick. I just wanted to make sure you're aware of that because the Wi-Fi Plus, it always gets charged on other charges and credits. For some weird reason, that's how it shows up on our bill. But the discount related to Wi-Fi Plus is going to be under the internet. So the internet's actually going to say $79 when it should be $89.
Okay.
But that's because of Wi-Fi Plus, we add that extra $10. Just so you're aware, sometimes it causes an issue and people call back and they're like, hey, you told me my internet's supposed to be this price, but it's basically the total amount. It's just it shows up on a different spot. So this has all gone through. It's already been processed. You will get double the amount of credits next month, so your next month's bill is going to be a lot lower. So it'll be like $20-30 at the most because double the discounts that are added.
Okay, so TV Plus and would you say Pick TV are the same? Because they changed the name now, I think.
TV Plus is a little bit different, right?
Yeah.
So TV Plus, that's through mobility. You can only get that connected to mobility plans. So it's a little bit different, right? But TV Plus, it's like related to like smart hubs and whatnot. Pick is the same as that. So TV Plus is a different name because it goes on mobility, but it's the same thing as Pick TV. It's the streaming services that are added, right?
Yeah, because I don't see Pick TV anymore that comes up. It says TV Plus.
Yeah, they're changing the name of it and everything like that. But it's the same thing.
Right. Okay, and I think it's much better now because you used to crash a lot before with Pick TV, and now it's a little stable. Yeah.
And it will actually get better too, Robert. We're changing our main TV focus to Pick. So even from Optic TV and whatnot, everyone's streaming now, right? So we're spent a lot of money redoing the Pick because when Pick first came out, exactly what you said, crashing all the time, not really any good to like compatibility with other like equipments and whatnot. So now they have worked on it quite a bit, where it's getting better and better to the point where it's going to become our main TV output to customers. It's more convenient, right?
Right. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Thanks for your input and everything, and for your help.
You're very welcome. Was there anything else that I could help you out with at all today, Robert?
Yeah. So the terms, I need to sign that for the 2-year term, or what?
You don't need to sign anything. Everything gets emailed for you. If there's anything you don't like within the first 30 days, and this will obviously be in the email and the service agreement as well too, you can cancel your service agreement in the first 30 days and change it back to month. Obviously, they remove the discounts, right? But you are able to do that, but there's nothing that you need to sign or get back to us. Everything is done verbally, right? Because all of our conversations are recorded.
Okay, but the copy, I will get it through my email as of today, I guess.
Yeah,
exactly.
You'll get that within like 5 minutes.
Okay, Robbie. I think we're good to go here. Everything, all my questions been answered, so we're good to go. And thanks for your help. And
you're very welcome, Robert. You enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, you too, Robbie. Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.
Yes, bye-bye.
Ay, naka-on pa pala.
Kung hindi ka lang pala nag-party, hindi kayo saan nag-meet.
Hindi kami nag-meet. Hindi kami
Tingnan
nag-meet.
mo nga naman na yung ano ng Panginoon, no? Yung plano ng Panginoon, no? Ang swerte.
Dinala ako ng friend ko na yun.
Ang Panginoon ang may plano.
Dinala ako ng friend ko.
Oo.
Yun pala yung kadate niya.
Yun pala.
Kasi dinala din siya.
Ganun lang pala.
Nag-meet. Tapos hindi pa kami pinakilalang dalawa. Si Ethel ang pinakilala.
O tapos, na-inap kay Ether.
Tapos, later on, mga ilang oras na nakalipas, parang sarili na lang, come here, baby. Habla si Robert, habla si Sheila, come on, baby. Yun na. Hindi na niya ako tinantanan na.
Akala ko, tumagal ka mo ng naging nani pa ako ko.
Akala ko na reliyoso to, nagsisimba daw siya.
Nagsisimba?
So, kinabukasan, nagsimba kami. So, nag-start ang aming
Siyempre, pag alam mo nagsisimba, di ba?
yung pala ngayon, yayain mo magsimba, ayaw na magsimba.
Ganun pala. Yung plano ng Panginoon, hindi mo alam talaga yung swerte mo.
Hindi mo na ako naghahanap ng boyfriend noong that time na eh.
Oo. Siyempre, gusto mo muna magtrabaho.
Sinama ko yung dalawa, wala. Tapos na pala sila.
Sinama mo?
Ay.
Alam mo yung...
Si Kevin, nasaan?
Ha?
Naiwan lang si Kevin?
May gagawin daw siya, punta daw siyang bangko. Sa kaya sabi niya, gusto ko daw dalhin. Okay lang, kasi tapos naman nandas.
Maraan na may gusto.
Dalawang oras na.
Pati ako yung nakulok.
Yan lang, na
Ay
yun.
mga ka-vlogs, ito yung mga taga McKinney.
May Kenny.
Shout out!
May Kenny.
Andito ng buong pamilya.
May Kenny.
Ay, rin nyo lang.
Oh.
Luklok kayo.
Magluto tayo. Para...
Huwag ka na magluto, kumain na yan.
Uy, bibigyan
Saan kayo pumunta?
Kain ka
Magkape muna kayo. Upo muna.
Tapos na silang
Upo muna.
gusto, tinatapon.
Kasirola? Kaya nga, di sa Canada maraming yung mga
Actually, yung
surplus.
palang utang ko melona sa'yo.
5 times? 6 times na yun. How many days?
2 times lang.
Sil, hindi ka na umiinom.
Hindi na, kasi
Ito,
inubos niya. Pumunta dito.
Bakit daw
Melona.
usa?
Inubos
Ay,
niya.
Sil, ang tamis pala yan. Tinikman ko.
Tinikman niya,
Melona.
nanakaw, isa.
Sil, tapos nagdaga mo yung tubig. Baka
Ito yung naman ko ng isa.
Nakakadibetos
Hindi
yan.
ba ako melaw?
Diabetes.
Anuhin mo na naman to. Utangin mo na naman to. Maging triple na to.
Hoy, sobrang tamis.
Sobrang tamis pagka
Sil, dagdaga mo ng tubig.
Inom ka din to?
Nabasahin ko lang. Hindi ko mabasa. Ang lilit eh.
Yung mukha niya.
Hindi naman ako
Nabasa niyo
pumuti.
ba yan mga ka-vlogs? So,
Hindi naman ako pumuti. Isang beses lang.
hindi
Tinry
mo
ko.
mabasa yan. Nutrition.
Kaya nalaman kong na
Wala kang
uminom
choice
siya kasi
kundi
sabi niya,
i-take mo na lang. Hindi mo na alam kung ano yung
Yan.
nandito.
Ano mo alam? Uminom ka, no? Isa lang.
George,
Ay,
in-invite
alam mo ba yung bill noon? Umabot ata ng 650.
650. And then ang charge niya magkano lang?
Wala man yung binayaran.
Wala siyang binayaran din. Wala. Tapos nag-invite pa siya sa sari-sari
Buong
store.
PG yata yun.
Nag-invite siya na parang, okay,
Hindi, hindi
birthday ko.
nalugi.
Sige,
Hindi
nalugi.
Iba nag-steak pa.
Yan o. Cheers tayo mga ka-vlogs.
Ito yung minipete dito yung iyan.
Hindi ka nakasya dyan mo eh.
May isa pa?
Nakasya ka dyan?
Oo.
Kay the-drive to eh. Bawal ang drinking and driving.
Ngayong malamig.
Pagkita ko pa lang ng mukha niya, kahawig niya, and nakita ko yung lalaki.
Lalaki.
Tapos, may...
Kilala ka kaya nun?
Eh, siguro.
Kilala ka kaya?
Eh, nakatingin sa akin eh.
Buntis ata.
Oo, yun.
Kung buntis.
Kaya
Buntis
alam
na naman?
Kaya alam kong siya kasi, hindi ko alam na buntis ha. Kasi, yung mukha kasi niya, parang hawig niya. Sabi ko, hindi pala si Jovelyn, siya pala yun. Kasi, kamukha niya eh. Parang naalala ko yung picture na pinakita sa kanya. Tapos yung lalaki kasi, hawig yung lalaki. Tapos, may hawak siya na batang maliit na babae. Tapos, nakatingin siya sa akin. Alam mo, tingin ko. talaga yung tumingin ko, diyan ako tumatawa.
Nakita niya tumitingin ka.
Oo, nakatitig doon talaga ako sa kanya. Tapos hindi siya yung umiwas na titig.
Kilala ka
Tas
niya?
Siguro. Kasi di ba rin si bday at saka kapakatepektis ko. Tapos yung asawa, nakatingin sa akin. Nakatingin din ako, hindi ako tumatawa.
Pampangan niya sa ano?
Ganyan yung, tapos nagkapampangan pa naman kami ni ate. Ito na tayong jubilee na ano sa akin, sabi ko gano'n. Kami niya, nakatingin nga dito, sabi ko, hindi na tayo, sabi ko, parang pwede tayo. Tapos nakita ko si Kuya Philip, Kuya Philip, nakita ko ata yung jubilee eh. Pagkita ko pa lang ng mukha niya, kahawig niya, and nakita ko yung lalaki. Tapos, may...
Kilala ka kaya yun?
Eh, siguro.
Kilala ka kaya?
Eh, nakatingin sa akin eh.
Buntis ata.
Oo, yun.
Kung buntis.
Kaya
Buntis
alam
na
ko,
naman?
kaya alam kong siya kasi, hindi ko alam na buntis ha. Kasi, yung mukha kasi niya, parang hawig niya. Sabi ko, hindi pala si Jovelyn, siya pala yun. Kasi, kamukha niya eh. Parang naalala ko yung picture na pinakita sa kanya. Tapos yung lalaki kasi, hawig yung lalaki. Tapos, may hawak siya na batang maliit na babae. Tapos, nakatingin siya sa akin. Alam mo, tingin ko. Yung talaga yung tingin ko, diyan ako tumatawa.
Nakita niya tumitingin ka.
Oo, nakatitig doon talaga ako sa kanya. Tapos hindi siya yung umiwas na titig.
Kilala ka niya?
Siguro. Kasi di ba rin si bday at saka kapakatepektis ko. Tapos yung asawa, nakatingin sa akin. Nakatingin din ako, hindi ako tumatawa.
Pampangan niya sa ano?
Ganyan yung, tapos nagkapampangan pa naman kami ni ate. Ito na tayong jubilee na ano sa akin, sabi ko gano'n. Kami niya, nakatingin nga dito, sabi ko, hindi na tayo, sabi ko, parang pwede tayo. Tapos nakita ko si Kuya Philip, Kuya Philip, nakita ko ata yung jubilee eh.
Ewan ko vlogs ang hours ng liquor store. Hanggang 10 lang. Ayan oh. Kain tayong pansit. Ayan, may birthday. Happy 57th birthday. Sinabi pa eh, no?
Oo.
Binuking.
Huwag mo sabihin sa ano.
Saan? Sa vlog?
Oo.
Mm.
Ay,
Ano
pasit
lang
lang.
yun?
Importante sana pabayan ako ng buhay na pala.
Hanggang mga 257, ganyan. Ayos.
Hindi naman, hindi naman.
Way too far. So far that Michael called up his lawyer. Oh look, Kagan doesn't care who you are. He'll disrespect you no matter what the cost. But imagine shooting your shot and being disrespectful at the same time. How does that even happen? Well, let's find out. Now, when it comes to who's crushing on who, we all know who Kagan is crushing on. Because back in 2009, we tweeted this. Yeah, I completed on
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Amen. Blow.
Sana, bigyan kami ng maraming blessing. Walang magkakasakit.
Maraming pera mo. Sana marami pang pera makukuha.
Hindi, marami pang blessing more. Panghabang buhay. Panghabang buhay.
Okay, glote ka sa
100 years.
100 years ya tama. Okay, glote ka na.
I'd love to see you smile